Hey guys, welcome back to Sailboat Time with Jonas and Linda. Today the weather is amazing, so we decided to come and visit the boat and also have a nice time together. We also had an amazing Donald Duck visitor that came here to visit us, and we have been actually nice to her, so she don't want to go. So we have been feeding him, or we have been feeding her with some Oreo golden biscuits here, and she's actually loving it. She don't want to go anywhere. Okay, so Jonah said that this one is he. The ones with the green hair color, they are he, and which ones are the she? Brown. The brown hair color is she. Hey lovely, I hope you enjoyed your stay with us. Okay, so you'll be going. Oh, that's very good. Oh really, you want more biscuits? Oh, I'm very sorry, the biscuit is over, but you can take that there. Yeah, that one there is also biscuit. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, it has dissolved in the water. But let's make it some other time. Okay, now we are a little bit busy, please. Oh, so you don't want to go? Why? You have to go, please. See you some other time. Bye bye. What? Mr. Man, you need to leave this place. He don't want to go. So what should we do to him? We just leave him, okay? So we don't have anything for you, so you better have to leave. Otherwise you can stand there as long as you want, and if we get anything we can give it to you, okay? Oh, shake your legs. Shake, 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 shake. Ooh, bye bye. Hey guys, so this is Jonas here. So I went to the city, and on my way coming I got us some food, and Jonas really loved the food. He really loved it. Yeah, so here am I. The weather is super good. Actually, I am not that, like, I don't know the kind of person I am. I sometimes love the sun, sometimes I don't like it, but I'm very sure because I am an African, I don't really value the sun that much, if I should put it that way. I like it, but when it's too much hot, I can't take it. But I hate cold weather. That is something that I don't like. I hate it so bad.
Our boat neighbor is coming now. Sorry. One model. That's the big, the bigger model.
So I love food. I'm a food fan. I love it. And there he is. He also loved food. Both of us. Not only him. Both of us. Then I mean, before dricka lite grann. Det räcker. Nej, det räcker. Lyssna på mig, det räcker. Så vi går på en liten släng. Eller? Inte idag.
Some electric work too.
So today I cannot see a lot of people around. but there's a lot of cars parked at the parking space there, but not a lot of people. And it's actually a very nice weather. The weather is fantastic, but some people are fishing, others just arrived with their boats, and we're just loving the sun part of it, you know, since it's very cold in Sweden and there is not a lot of sun. When the sun comes, we don't actually play with it. We really enjoyed it because it's not often that the sun comes. So yeah, beautiful view, so much boats around. Yeah, that is our friend coming. His mouth sweets him. Thanks so much for watching Sailboat Vlog Time with Jonas and Linda.